In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a line graph with multiple lines in Google Sheets. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Start by entering your data into the sheet or copying it in from another file. Make sure your columns are clearly labeled, like months or categories, and your rows contain the values for each group. Next, check that the data is properly aligned so each value matches the correct label across the sheet. This helps ensure the chart is accurate. Then go to the top menu, click Insert, and select Chart. Google Sheets will automatically generate a chart based on your data. On the right, the chart editor will open. Under Setup, open the Chart Type menu, scroll down, and choose Line Chart. The graph will update right away and show multiple lines, each representing a different data set. If anything looks off, double-check your selected rows and columns. And that's how you create a line graph with multiple lines in Google Sheets.